Hello, this is Boss Level 13, coming at you with another Happy Wheels. Now, if you watch my last episode, anyway, alright, we're gonna put some Happy Wheels because probably got. I'll try you. Yeah. What am I doing? Oh my god! I feel like I need poker guy. Oh god! Oh. Oh, go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Not me! Helicopter man! Falling! Oh god! I didn't die! So horrifying! I didn't die! My butt! No! Exactly what I'm talking about. Oh no, 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 no! Oh god! Wait, what? Oh, shut that. Oh god! No, just go down. Just. Ah! Just go. Gotta loop. Gotta loop. Slow. I literally can't go slow. Ah! It was too fast. I couldn't do that. Slow. And steady. Oh god! To keep me down. That's dumb. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, my child. I don't care. I'm a man. Okay. Oh, I went over. Wee! No! No! No way, Buddy Bean! No! Baby! Stupid baby! Trying to eat a sandwich. Balls, no! No! My mouse is in the way! My mouse is in the way! Oh god! Stupid mouse. Oh, towards you. No! Die! Oh, stop. That's too bad. I do that 3 times, I can get out of freaking Oz. What's going on here? Did I break the game? Oh god! You can hear it go. Oh god! Okay. I'm not trying that again. Pokey poop. I already played 2 of them. dun, dun, dun. Ooh, I love it. Oh! Oh my god! Running the juice. Go! Go! Back! And back on. Eat this. Nom 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 nom. Kinda slow. I'm eating all of it. Nom nom nom, multiply. Impossible. Okay, Candyland. Welcome to Candyland. I can't make it longer because I ran out of ships somewhere. Wait, that's a thing? Whoa, none of these. I can't. What's up, Martini? Oh god, Lily. It's a Lily. It's a Lily. Oh, cool. Oreo. Oh, Tootsie Roll. That was pretty good graphics. Gotta admit. Hey, I'm alive. Don't die! Don't die! Oh god! If I choose this guy, I literally can't get out. That's horrifying. How am I alive and what's going on? Let's see Indiana Jones do this. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! I don't want to meet my fate. I want to meet love. Oh no. No, hit me straight in the freaking straight in the yeah! 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 Yes! Yes! I have no idea what I was doing there. Yeah! Oh, my fail. Oh. My butt! No, my butt! No, my butt! No, my face! That's my face! That's my butt! That's my face! That's my butt! Oh, fish! Yeah! No, my butt! No, my pelvis! No, wait! It's not... I don't know what that is. It's like right up my... Yeah! Oh, God, I got it stuck and... Oh, God. Yeah! Yeah! I will beat this. This seems like super easy, but... my brain! But it just won't let me because I'm a fish! Oh, God. Oh, ah! My height didn't even make it. That's not 100% impossible. Oh god, no! Go!
Oh God!
Go this way!
Oh God!
I'm supposed to kill him.
Oh God!
Throw him in. I hit the old man, but it
Oh
didn't work.
God!
Do it. No, go, fish. How? What? No, pay attention. No! Oh. No! I'm not dead. No, I'm not dead. Oh. Oh, my face, my butt. Oh God, wait. Oh, well, I just cheat. That's mean. Oh God. Dang it, 40 nugget. No. My bubble nugget. I can't do that. Los dangerous, impossible. What the fuck? Vacate the plane. Bringing her head with me. Bringing her head with me. Wait, what am I supposed to do here? Die? Yes. Am I supposed to go up the plane? No, you suck. You suck. No, lady, I love you. I love you too much. Oh, there's this thin sheet of glass. There's a thin sheet of glass. Oh, don't do, no. Oh, no! Oh, God. Break. Sorry, woman. No, lady, no! We're alive. Yeah. No! Wait, I can grab her. Don't die on me. Don't die on me! I love you! Mwah. 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 Mom, kissing. I love you. This is weird. I love you. Die. We need to die together. Or else we won't live. No, don't. What the? Stupid old man. That's why we won't die. No. Hey. I can probably grab the. No. Oh, why won't it break now, but it did? Oh, no. I love you. No. Oh, God. Oh, it's got in horrible way. Oh no, I love you! This looks weird! No, I got my own head. I was gonna save it with my body. No! Oh, fish. It didn't work. Grabbing your leg. She's doing the splits. No! No! Wait, what? No. Go. We need to die. I have no idea what to do. No! Wait. I love you. And you shall never die. Ah! Well, at least we died. Goose can make it together. That's true love right there. Jet wall and fall CL. GB! Okay. Good! I sound weird. Really? Too legit to quit! Oh god, no! Oh god. Stupid Jamie! Oh god. My arm is going like destroyed. Make everything good. Gonna make. Oh god. It's all about killing you because I kind of want to actually see. No! Ah! Stop. No! Not this! Really! No fighting way! No, fucking dumb! Hup! No! Still one at the knee. No! Oh my god. I want to do that again just for this. This is dumb. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, dude, I swear Ooh! Well, fudge it. I did that again. I don't care. Freaking, you use like the worst guy ever, so whatevs. Freaking moron being hobo. Just some hobo. So anyway. On vacation. Kids are dirty. Oh god, now they can't have kids. Things he can fly. No, die! Die! I'm gonna kill your dreams! I'm gonna kill your dreams by killing you! Yeah, fish. Oh, he thinks he can fly? Oh, well, he thinks? Well, he thinks not, because I'm gonna kill him! That sounds mean! That... Oh, that's a... Wait, my sword came back! My sword came back! My sword came back! Godly sword! No, don't kill me! Hey, hit him in the butt! First guy I'm gonna kill. Oh, dang, 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 bang, 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 dang, 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 bang, bang. Hit him, the balls. Fish, stop doing that. Oh, I hit him. I hit him. I hit him. Stole my wife, huh? That's a bit, doofus. Evil twin brother. I don't have an evil twin brother. I have a brother. Yes. I have a dude that just died and a guy that just did that, and now it's just like twerking on each other. Weird. Flip swing thing. I have no idea what that said. Why does it always start out as that? I hate that so much. Stop doing that, people. Ah! See, like, it just automatically start, and then you go down one of these poops. Ah, fish. Alley-oop. Yo! No, 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 no. Ah, my foot. Ah, never, I haven't done good. New sort of. Die! KFC! Die! Ah! Not doing that, that's dumb. Man doesn't know how to make simple. Duh. Fight like a man! Stop spazzing out in that guy's bang! Ah, the guy died. Oh god, I got one in my chest. Where the fuck did that even come from? Why can't I do any today? I'm gonna do rating today. Saw 2. Saw. Dink. No! Dink. Aw, fish. Just wanted to see if that had the real kill it. Jump down. Whoa! Need to work on the elevator, dude. Dink. Okay, beauty of both. No. Okay, please no. Hey, you didn't die. You didn't die. Oh my god! You died. Really? That was it? Oh, saw. Matrix. Oh, I love the Matrix. Oh god. I said the pumpkin. That's good. My blood, baby. Oh cool, it's Valentine's Day. Oh god. Oh god! By the way, ah god! By the way, peeps who are watching this, don't forget that I'm dead, Mario! This isn't a good way to notice it, but what if? I don't know, I just wanna go down the stairs. Oh my god, my freaking brain! No! Don't die! Don't! Oh my god! It's Valentine's Day. Don't forget anyone. Give everyone candy because that's what everybody loves. Space to start. Go forward. Go forward. Is this supposed to be Jacksepticeye? Oh god, oh god, oh god. I do not feel like Jack approved this. Run! Oh no! Oh no! Run! Oh, don't go down, jeez! You think you're gonna let's go! To school! School! To bozos! Happy Weird City. Die, hobo! Never Creeper! Stupid. Don't make that sound! Especially in public. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Oh! Just kill Santa? Oh! I thought it was Valentine's Day. No! Whoa! There's a guy with the gun. There's a kid with the gun up there. If anyone saw that, that's weird. Oh my god, please don't! Do not tell me! I will tell you what I want. Like a boy! Oh! Jacksepticeye. Whoa. Ooh! Ah, ball! Ah! No! 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 Oh God! No! No! Oh! Oh! I did it! That's supposed to be Jacksepticeye. Oh, rainbow stars. Ooh, I love rainbows. Oh my God! Oh, stairs with those stars. Oh! Oh my God! Am I dead? No, I'm not dead! Yeah! I'm not Chuck Norris, I'm Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee's better than Chuck Norris. Oh God! Oh God! Protect me, Chow! Chow! Protect me! Why am I old? Chair, protect me! Chair! No! No! Stop being dumb! 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 Oh, I'm alive! That win. But boss, you... Oh! Oh! Own it! Freaking awesomeness! How long have I been playing? Oh God. Yeah, I have recording. Okay, after this one. Very easy. Easier. Normal. Oh, club. Ow. My balls. No. Okay. Oh God. I'm good. No, my foot! No, my foot! No! Why? Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. I'll see you, my peeps, in the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you, my peeps, in the video. Peace!